a bunch of our previous videos in the last several weeks have been all about boat projects. And honestly, that is a part of our life, but that's not all of our life. It's just the season we're in right now. We have friends coming. Next week we go head to the boatyard to pull out and get some bunch of work done on the bottom. And there's a bunch of stuff we had to get done so we could take off for the Bahamas in a couple of weeks. So this week we want to take a break from boat projects. We want to show you guys what else we do down here living on a boat in the Florida Keys. Enjoy.
Last week, we installed a composting toilet along with many other projects Chris was talking about while Hurricane Laura came through the Gulf of Mexico. This week, we slowed down on the projects to enjoy family time, crafts, outdoor fun, homeschool, fishing, friends, and as always, time in the ocean. So here's the story of the Wandering Knapps. We're a family of 5 from Texas. Chris and Jolene met in 2nd grade and started dating our freshman year of high school. We got married and moved to Texas. We had 3 boys, Carter, Chase, and Caleb. We loved to travel and fell in love with the water. We decided to sell everything and buy a boat and travel the Caribbean. After selling everything, we traveled coast to coast boat shopping. We finally found our new home in the Florida Keys. We spent 6 weeks in a boatyard, moved aboard, spent another 8 months in a marina, and finally moved off-grid and on anchor. Join us on our adventure. It is our last week here in Isla Morada, and we are going to go exploring today. If the pool isn't open, then we're going to maybe try a hotel and see if they allow locals in. And if they don't, then maybe a state park.
We're going to try multiple hotels.
Yeah, so we're going to try a bunch of stuff, but we're getting all of our stuff, so we're prepared for anything. Alright, one pool down, another pool to go check. I think we may end up in Key Largo at Jacob's Aquatic Center.
I like this pool. I like all those slides and they have a better splash pad than Founders Park.
Because I left mine. What a fun day. Was that fun? Yeah. What was your favorite part at the aquatic center? Chase?
No, but I'm beyond
when
thirsty.
our friends came.
Okay. That's fine.
Lots and lots of fun. We always have fun eating waffles. This is like the 4th day in a row.
Wait, we put loud sugar on the waffles. I wanted to mimic like a fancy restaurant. Imagine all this being like steak, this being like grilled broccoli, and all this being more like a little more better and more. And imagine this being wine in a big wine glass. So I'm making a stuffed seal out of towels I bought at the Dollar Tree. I couldn't find fabric, so this was the next best thing. Right now I'm making a white seal with blue flippers. And I made a gray seal with a blue belly and blue stripe down its back, and just a plain gray seal. So this is my third one. And I already made a fully white blanket out of the extras of the white towel.
And what are you going to do? How are you going to sew it?
I'm gonna sew it inside out, and then I'm gonna leave like here to the edge open, and then I can make the right side out. So this is this seal I made flipped, and my grandma said she wanted to name the next seal I got, and I made a seal, and she decided she wanted to name it Grayson since it's gray. Here's the final product.
Awesome.
Flippers are a little wonky, but whatever.
Well, it's a prototype.
I used Sharpie to make the eyes, nose, and mouth. And he looks super cute, and I love him. I can't wait to sleep with him tonight.
Beautiful Saturday. We're just enjoying the day. We are getting ready for back to school, just like everybody else, but of course our school looks different. I always call it boat school because it's homeschool, but we're on a boat. We took the boys up to the dentist today up in Homestead, Florida City area. So we did the dentist, and 2 kids got sealants put in, and no cavities needed to be filled. That was awesome. And now we're gonna do some things on the mainland that we don't get to do for boat life. So we are going to hit Chipotle and go to Home Depot and get some new tools, because that's what you do when you come up to the mainland.
So I work in my top bunk. I have my grade book where I put my grades. I also have 5 subjects of life pack and a choosing good health for 6th grade. And well, that's basically it. Plus a school box and graph paper. And in each life pack book there's different subjects. In math right now I'm doing the 3rd subject. And at the end of each is a self-test. So I'm almost done to completing this whole book, which is meant to be done in a month, but I've done it in 2 weeks.
Do you like doing life pack?
Yeah, there's math, Bible, history, language arts, and science.
Why do you like it?
Because it's easy. You just have to do like, I've never had to do more than 5 pages a day of each workbook. So, around like 20 pages a day.
Do you like it all being in a book?
I like it being in a book set because online, half the time for online school is just, I can't get internet here.
And what about how do you keep it organized?
I keep it organized in a big bin, which right now my bin is nowhere near organized, so I need to organize it. And other than that, I just have everything else.
And how long does it take you?
It takes us around to maybe, if we start like early in the morning, we can end by maybe 11 or 12 if we're actually active. But otherwise, if we're not too active or if we don't start in the morning, it ends at maybe 2 or 3.
So this weekend, we went fishing with our friend Captain Nathan back there. He is cleaning our catch. He is with
95.5 Fishing here in Islamorada, Florida.
So we took us out dolphin fishing.
Yeah.
Somewhere between 12 and 15 miles offshore. Great day.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun, a lot of excitement. First time I've ever been offshore fishing.
Same, yeah.
It was a great experience.
We learned a whole lot.
Oh yeah.
He's great at teaching you how to do it and how to catch it, how to look for it, how to fish, all of that. So he's great at it. If you would like to go fishing with him and his charter company, check the description below for a link to his company, 95.5 Fishing.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. And I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruise.